left untreated, leather saddlebags, seats, tank panels, and of course your boots, jackets, and chaps will begin to absorb and hold moisture over time. Everyone knows waterlogged leather is not a good thing, which is precisely why we reach for Harley-Davidson leather protectant every season. Here's all you do. Put a little leather protectant on a soft cloth and work it in. Don't be afraid to use a lot if the leather is extra thirsty. Let it penetrate, then just buff and you're done till next year. See, it takes just a few minutes to weatherproof your leather, extend its life, and protect your investment. Ask anyone who's ever had to replace an expensive leather seat, or leather saddlebags that curled up and lost their shape, or had to replace a rain-damaged console pouch, or anyone who got soggy on a wet ride because of a waterlogged jacket or boots. They'll say the same thing. I should have waterproofed it. Don't let that be you. Get some Harley leather protectant and use it.